Hi, Lily. It's Chi Chi. I have a new book to read to you, and it's called Pete the Cat, Sir Pete the Brave. Oh my goodness, let's look at that. What is that on the cover? Do you know what a dragon is? That's a dragon. He got fire comes out of his nose, and he's got a tail. Wow, look at that. Yeah. So and who's that? That's Pete, of course. And what's he riding on? He's riding on a horse, right? Well, let's hear about Pete the cat and the dragon. What happens? Meet Sir Pete. They call him Sir Pete, the bravest knight in all the land. Oh my goodness. Sir Pete rides a horse and climbs towers. Let's look at the pictures here. There's Sir Pete. Do you see him? He's got armor on and he's got a almost like a ponytail on his head. And there he does. He climbs the ladder and there's his horse. And he climbs to the tippy top of the tower. Look who's at the top. A beautiful girl is at the top. Who is that? Okay, Pete. The beautiful girl is named Lady Callie, and she plays the harp. Can you see Lady Callie? Oh my gosh, she's pretty. Look what she's got in her hair. Flowers in her hair, and she's playing beautiful, beautiful music. Lady Callie. Oh, I think Pete really likes her. So what happens next? Oh, it looks like she played some music, and Pete said, "Bravo! Wonderful!" At the end of each song, he clapped and clapped. He really liked Callie, Lady Callie. And who's sitting next to him? Looks like a turtle. Oh my goodness, is that another friend of Pete's? Pete's got lots of friends, doesn't he? Yeah. Okay. What's happening next? One night, while Lady Callie plays beautifully, somebody cast a spell. There she is playing. Oh my goodness. Can you see her? Let's get her there. Yes. Oh, she's playing her harp. Bring, 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 bring. Lady Callie's playing her harp, and somebody cast a spell. Somebody cast a spell, and it made everybody fall asleep. Look at Pete. He's sound asleep. Pete snores, doesn't he? I think he does. What's going to happen? What's going to happen next while he's sound asleep? Let's find out. Uh-oh, the next morning he wakes up and Lady Callie is gone. Oh no, Sir Pete the Brave says. Where did she go? She disappeared. Oh no, I need to go find her. And of course he's going to go look. He says, I will find Lady Callie and I will save her. Giddy up, horse, giddy up. Let's go find Lady Callie and let's go save her, okay? And there they go. Wonder how they'll find her. Whoa. Now they go out into the meadow, into the woods in the meadow and far from the castle. And look what they see. They see a big footprint. Look at how big that footprint is. And he says, my goodness, what makes a big footprint like that? Follow the footprints. So Sir Pete says to his horse, follow the footprints. So off they go. 1, 2, 3. They're going to follow it. And maybe they'll find where Lady Callie is. Somebody took her. Wonder who took her. Let's find out. My goodness, Pete. The footprint stopped. Where did the dragon go? It was dragon footprints. That's what it was. See those big footprints? They were from a dragon. And now they see it. They see the dragon. Who's on top of the dragon? Did the dragon take Lady Callie and flew you think Pete can find her? Let's find out, okay? Let's see what happens, and hold on. So Pete said, I have to cross a lake because the lake is where the dragon's flying over the lake. So I'm going to have to cross the lake. I don't know if that I can. I can't swim. It's a big lake. I don't think I can swim. So what is he going to do? He finds, what did he find, Lily? What did he find? He found a boat. So he gets in the boat and he paddles and paddles and paddles and paddles in the water to try to find Lady Callie and the dragon. So there he is going across the lake. Good job, Pete. So he gets out of the boat when he gets over the lake, and then he sees a cave. And I bet I know who lives in that cave, but it's pretty dark in there. Who lives in the cave? Then he hears music. Who plays the music? He hears the music playing. Lady Callie's playing her harp. He has to go and find her and rescue her. My goodness. So he goes deeper into the cave, and what does he find? What does he find? He finds the harp, but no Lady Callie. Where's Lady Callie? I don't know. We need some help to find her. I think I'm going to go find somebody that'll help us. Hold on.
Hi, Lily. I'm going to help you find Lady Callie. All right. Sir Pete will not give up. He climbs the highest hill. He looks around for Lady Callie. Then he hears a loud growl. Sir Pete is scared. The hill starts to move. Sir Pete is on the dragon's back. Do you see him? Do you see him on the dragon's back? Wow. Sir Pete knows what to do. He slides down, down, down the dragon's back. The dragon sees Pete and roars. Sir Pete, says Lady Callie, I will save you. Save me, says Sir Pete, but I came to save you. Sir Pete and Lady Callie start to argue. The dragon starts to cry. You see him crying. You see the dragon crying. He's sad. That's a sad dragon. I just wanted to sing along, the dragon sobs. I did not want to hurt anyone. I have an idea, says Sir Pete. Will you give us a lift? The dragon flies Sir Pete and Lady Callie home. Everyone is happy to see them. You don't need a great voice to make music, says Sir Pete. Just good friends. The dragon joins the song. 3 cheers for Lady Callie and for Sir Pete the Brave. What is this, Lily? Oh my goodness. There's the dragon. It's coming. Am I going to get dragon kisses? Dragon kisses. Lily, do you want a dragon kiss? You do. Oh, dragon kisses. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, one more kiss. One more kiss. Oh, oh, I love it. All right, can you say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, dragon. Bye-bye, Lily. Bye-bye, Lily.